Hi, we're at InfoComm 2024 in Las Vegas. My name is Arno Gielen. I'm the CSO of the Conen Group, and I want you to introduce a new product, new product range. It's called rolling racks, and these rolling racks are basically partitioners for office environments. You can use it in schools, but mainly office environments. And on the video, you can see all different options we have. Over here, you see the unit with a touch panel. But you can have it with all kind of different finishes, as book racks, it's a lot of varieties. It comes modular, so it's very easy to ship, very easy to assemble, and as said, it's quite a nice range, which can easily also combine with furniture. We can have a wooden cabinet underneath. As we are a furniture manufacturer as well as a mount manufacturer, we combine both worlds in this product. Thank you very much. If you want more information, please visit our website at conensystems.com.